Khmer aristocratic rural housing. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you all about the culture of living in rural Cambodia. In the center of his backyard was a large, long pond, the source of their livelihood. The left side is a residential house with a beautiful wooden roof and red brick roof, full of luxury. And on the right is a barn made of thatched roof, palm leaves, and at the back is a haystack for his cattle. In this video, you probably do not see horses because most Cambodians do not like to raise horses, except in some areas. Now we visit the luxury wooden house with one floor, ground floor, and first floor. All the buildings are made of wood with red tiled roof and beautifully designed in the traditional Khmer culture. The house is large enough to indicate that the homeowner is of a high standard of living, with an L-shaped house with 2 bedrooms upstairs and a spacious veranda at the front. The lower part is the reception area and the place for handicrafts, weaving, and at the back is the kitchen and bathroom. The front of the house is decorated with ox carts, which are decorated with flowers to decorate the village shrine, Phra Phum, a traditional culture of their respect for Brahmanism and Buddhism. This is a patri that has been around for many years, but unfortunately it has lost its life. But they have reverent beliefs, still respect the patri because they are Buddhists who respect and practice Buddhism, and the patri is a symbol of the Buddha. On the other hand, the culture of respecting trees is the culture of respect of the Cambodian people living in rural areas. Now we take a look at the beautiful pond where we can see the beauty of the lotus, the water lily, the fish, the ducks and the geese are swimming happily, accompanied by the water hyacinth plants with fresh flowers. And at the back are the stones arranged for the stairs to go up and down to get water. This is a ladder that they often use as a bath. Papaya is the most popular plant for them. Cutting down trees for the energy of the kitchen cannot be discarded. At the edge of the pond, they often plant palm trees and some other ornamental plants. At the back of the house we clearly see this is a natural vegetable lung with lots of vegetation. This vegetable garden is their source of income to improve their livelihood, which in addition to agriculture, growing vegetables is the most popular and valuable occupation. Khmer people in the countryside. Most of them are farmers, weavers, vegetable growers, palm sugar makers and fishermen. But most of the fishermen are people who live by the river or by the sea. This is a vegetable garden that has not yet been planted. They use twigs as substitutes for vines, such as sorghum, cucumber, figs, and water hyacinth. If you visit the countryside, you will surely see fences made of wood and covered with old zinc, which they have picked up from his house and used as a fence to prevent other animals from invading. Now let's take a look at the cowshed they built next to their barn. Raising cattle has been an ancient culture of the rural Khmer people for a long time. They raised cows for traction, hanging, plowing, and other uses. In general, Cambodians in rural areas in the past did not raise cattle for meat, and Cambodians did not raise cows for milk. And this is their pig farm, built on a bamboo frame and covered with palm leaves, and in the back is a pile of straw, after which they harvest the rice and collect the straw for food. His cattle are indispensable to them and they are very valuable. The main plants you see in this video are mostly coconut trees, palm trees, banana trees, papaya trees and bamboo trees. We can see the plants in the water like lotus and water lily are the most potent and popular plants. As I told you in the previous video, fish ponds are not the only function of raising fish for food. Fish ponds are the source of life for the rural Cambodian people. He linked his life to the ponds, which were the source of life for their crops, as well as for drinking and some for daily bathing. In addition, the pond serves as a soft garden for decoration and, in particular, the pond plays an important role in effectively reducing heat. Thank you all for watching our video. See you in the next video.